Hey guys, welcome back. Welcome back to another video. This is Raja. In this video, we are going to look at the stock Tesla. It is a weekly update. I am doing this weekly update for many weeks now. So let's look at the chart and see what went on last week with the stock, and we will see whether the stock is still a buy or a sell or a hold at this price level. We can also look at a couple of calls or puts depending upon the situation. Okay, as always, let's start with the website tracker. This stock is added to the website tracker back in 11/17 when it was trading around $441, and as of today, it's close to well over $675 and posting almost 50% gains since then. And the stop loss was around 406, which was never in danger. So this stock kept on the open position. So at the peak of the height, it was priced around $900, so it almost doubled, but it gave up pretty much 50% of its gain. So if you come down, there is a small loss profit projection table for you, and after that there was a secondary entry point, which was on February 12th when it was trading around $816, and the stop loss was around $750. So if you would have bought this stock around that $816 price level, you would have stopped at $750 because this stock priced well over below that line. So let's look at the chart and see what went on last week and where this stock go from here. So you guys are looking at the weekly setting for Tesla. It is TC2000 software. So I follow the weekly setting because it gives some kind of short-term trading for anywhere between 1 week to 3 months or 6 months like that. So I like the weekly settings because it eliminates a lot of daily noise and give you some kind of clear trend for short-term trading. And also the indicator that I follow is the 10-week moving average, which is the yellow line, and 50-week moving average, and the 25-week moving average, which will give you some kind of intermediate point between the 10-week and the 50-week moving average. So last week this stock almost gave up $110 or so, or 14% or 15% losses last week, and it almost came to close down to test its 25-week moving average after a long time. The last time it was tested was back in 2020 March. So it was almost came down to test that level, and volume also spiked pretty much. So as of now, the stock closed well over from its peak. So it was almost it's closed well over from the peak, and almost gave up 30% gains from the peak also. So I believe this stock is pretty much having a range for now. It might well go back to the $600 price level, which is the bottom support line here, and it might run into resistance around 718, which is the this peak right here. So as of now, I still believe this stock is a buy, but do not overboard with it. Go with a small pilot buy, and probably you have to keep it for a long term. It may not be exploding too high anytime soon, I believe. So it might stall in this range for a few weeks. If it stalls for a few more weeks here, which is a good sign, so it might not trade between this range. So take a smaller pilot buy. When it clears 718, you can keep on adding it. And as of now, this stock, I believe, still under selling pressure or stalling position. So I would not overboard with all kind of buys, but if you can take a small position, that'd be fine. And if you want to go short and for cover it really quick, that is fine too, but do not overblow with either direction, because I believe this stock might stall here couple more weeks. If it stalls, that is really good for this stock. Take a breather, consolidate everything, and it can rally from that point onwards. And as far as the options are concerned, I still look at the calls for this stock, but I will be looking at no longer March. You can look at April or beyond, and I will be looking at anywhere between 800 to 900. That is a decent price range, and the stocks, the options also priced a little bit decently there, but I don't buy it at this time. If the stock stalls for a couple more weeks in this price range, this price may come down quite a bit because the volatility is still high on the stocks options. So if it stalls for a couple more weeks here, it might come down quite a bit. So let's wait on it. But if it goes up, I don't expect them to go like super high, so you can still buy it. But as of now, just keep an eye on the position anywhere between 800 to 900. Those are the options now I'll be looking at for the short-term trading. Okay guys, thank you for watching this quick video. I believe still Tesla is a buy, but do not go overboard with it. You can do a small pilot buy and see where the stock goes from here. I will put the tracker link in the description section of the video. You can refer it whenever you want. It will get updated at the end of the day with the stock closing price, so you can measure the performance in and day out. And please check out for the website for all kind of information. Everything is recorded there, so you can refer it whenever you want. Please check out all our social media sites. We are everywhere. We love to see you guys there. And please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll be doing a lot more videos on this stock and many stocks in coming days. So have a great weekend.